pasensya agad. Alam mo yung pagiging mo na ako galit na. Diba? Anyway, Bella, you know that Daddy loves you so much, right? Even though you try to bully me every day. Yes, every day Bella bullies me. That's true. She makes it still her daily routine. Anyway, even though that is not always around, no. Due to my nature of my work, you know that there's no day, hour, minutes, seconds that I never think of you. Everything that I do is for you. Diba? Always remember that one. And I will not stop until I die. And then the word of advice, I just want to say, just study, enjoy your school. It doesn't matter if you take good grades or bad grades, as long as you enjoy your school. And try to make friends. It doesn't matter, don't have a lot of friends, as long as small friends that are true friends is okay, right? Yeah, that's correct. And I want always you to be a good girl. Always listen to your mom. Always listen to your mom's advice, okay? Be respectful to everyone. And I love you so much, okay?
Anyway, Daddy said already everything for the anak. That's all. Okay? Oh, thank you. I love you so much. We love you so much. Don't forget that, okay? Stay smart and obedience to us, okay? I love you, baby. Happy birthday.